Welcome to Mr. Belle Kitchen. First of all, I'd like to thank all my subscribers, all my real watchers haven't subscribed, wondering how to subscribe. That's all you had to do. Ding! Hit that bell and you are subscribed to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Thank you for watching. Thank you for all the good comments you've been leaving. Today I'll be doing something different in the Power XL. Today I'll be sauteing some beef steak in some butter. So my ingredients is this nice beef steak right here. I'll be using sauteing it in some butter. I'll be having some green bell peppers, purple onions, and red bell peppers. I have some garlic salt, half a teaspoon garlic salt, half a teaspoon black pepper, half a teaspoon steak seasoning, and I smash up 2 cloves of garlic, and I have a half a teaspoon of seasoning salt. So we're going to get started. For all my first time viewers, just subscribe and everything. This top right here come off. I can't saute with this top on. I can do other things. So to take this top off, for the ones that don't know, you just 1, 2 and lift it up and off it go. So I'm going to set this to the side. And what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to set this on saute. As you see, it's set for saute. And I'm going to set the temperature for 365. 365. And then I'm going to go to the minutes. I'm going to set the minutes for like 40 minutes. And I'm going to press start. And so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put my butter in first. We just drop my butter in just like that. Put this to the side. In the meantime, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to season this up a little with a little bit of everything. Make it nice and good. With this garlic salt right there. Little black pepper. Like I say, this is going to be very delicious. Little steak seasoning. Put it on there. Just like that. Little seasoning salt. What I'm going to do, I'm going to set the collar in the bottom of the pan. I'm not going to put it on right now. But I'm going to just flip this over. As you see, like this, I'm going to flip it over once I put it in there so the season won't stay in here. So I'm going to just move this butter around while it's melting. Just like that. And I'm going to let that melt for a while. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to sit it in. It's melted. Sit it on that side in there. And I'm going to just put the rest of my season on it. Just like that. This right here going to come out real tender. So I'm going to let that sit for a minute. What I'm going to do, I'm going to move my camera closer. I'm going to take my top off so we can take a little look at it, see how it's coming out. Look like it's coming out pretty good and everything. Flip it over and look good, just like that. We're going to take another look at it, take this top off. It's looking pretty good. Oh yeah, this is almost done. Nice on that side. It's good. Put my top back on for a minute or two. I'm going to put a little garlic on it and everything. Put it in there just like this. All over. Yeah. Yeah. Take this off. Look at it and everything. As you see, it's looking good. Oh yeah, that's looking good. Give it a couple more minutes. Put it just like that. Yeah, I'm gonna take this top off. Look like it's been about 18 minutes. I didn't use everything. This is stuff just about looking like. Yeah, this is done. So, yeah, I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna taste a piece of it, cut me a little piece of it and taste it and see how this tastes and everything. And it's tender. And I'm gonna just taste it. I'm gonna taste a little piece of it and see how it tastes and everything. Yeah, that's good. I'm gonna taste a little piece of it and see how it tastes. Everything. Another nice piece. It tastes good. And that's cooking with the Bells. We did it again. Like and leave a comment in the box. If you don't know how to subscribe, just hit that bell.